popcorn. We know what popcorn means. But this is Top of the Pop microwave popcorn. Choco caramel. And it's GMO free. This I picked up in Pound Stretcher. So this is the other unusual flavour for them. Because they do normally have they do have the regular flavours, the salt and the butter. Not together, but there's two separate elements. So I thought I'd give this one a try because, yeah, chocolate and caramel, who wouldn't like those two things together? So what I'm going to do is I need to pop this open and show you before I do that. Oh, that's what's in it. Oh, it's product of Bulgaria. So it's wended its way all the way from there. Because you've got, yep, other language on the other side. I'm going to see if I can, Yep, I'm proving I'm rubbish at opening packets. So we've got the traditional microwavy bag of stuff here, and I need to whoop whoop and then put it in there. It does a thing and stuff happens. Can't smell much of anything at the moment. So I need to pop on my microwave for an amount of time, and I'll be back shortly. Microwave has done its thing. The packet now looks like this. A giant bloated thing, and my kitchen smells of popcorn. So let's hope that this is okay. Because okay is okay. So pop open the bag to reveal that I can't open bags. Talk amongst yourselves. Come on, just do that. I'll get there eventually. And there's lots of stickiness in here. This is what it looks like inside. Oh, I don't know. Let's just. This is easier. So we've got some that are not popped. That's always a thing. Just smell popcorn in there. But yeah, you can tell they've coated them in something. And I'm not getting particularly choc or caramel aromas off them, but let's get one of the ones that's really coated. Because we all know what popcorn looks like. I'm going to try and get the up pop bit out of it. Yeah. Focus. Don't focus. Focus. There we go. That's what it looks like. Okay, off the bat you just get some sweetness. That's definitely choco. Let's get one of the ones that's not so coated. Okay. So if they are super coated like this, they taste really. Yeah, there is chocolate. Definitely a hint of caramel. These are my favourites by far. These are actually not bad. So yeah, so if you happen to see the, move you off to one side. If you happen to see this one, the Choco Caramel, this is definitely worth your time. Obviously, apart from the ordinary flavours, which are regular, which are probably quite good, this is very good. Very good indeed for one of these microwave popping popcorn, pop. So in the comments below, let me know if you've had any popcorn from this brand, or if you've seen any other intriguing popcorns. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you when I'm very full of popcorn.